What are cluster headaches? Cluster headache results in one-sided, very strong attacks of headache and facial pain that, if left untreated, last between 15 and 180 minutes. The main pain is in the area behind the eyes and in the forehead and temples. Diagnosis requires at least 5 attacks with at least one additional symptom: reddening of the conjunctiva, tears in the eyes, swelling of the nose, runny nose, constriction of the pupil, lower eyelid, swelling of the upper eyelid, sweating on the forehead and face. The patients are restless in this phase and want to move. A basic distinction is made between episodic and chronic cluster headache. About 3/4 of the patients suffer from episodic cluster headache. Pain-free phases, at least 14 days to several years, alternate with intervals in which regular attacks occur, 2 to 8 weeks. 1/4 of the patients suffer from the chronic form, in which individual cluster periods can no longer be delimited. The attacks often occur regularly at the same time of day, often in the first few hours after falling asleep or in the early morning. An estimated 200,000 up to 1 million people in the States are affected by cluster headaches. Men 3 times more likely than women. Patients are usually between 30 and 40 years old when the disease first appears. 4 out of 5 patients have had the cluster attacks for more than 15 years. The family burden is low at 2 to 7%.